Making something healthy but tasty today, a protein rich creamy salad. First up, boil the chickpeas and some corn. For the sauce, I'm blending paneer, green chili, salt, and curd, and that's the creamy texture we need. For veggies, I've got lettuce, peppers, cucumber, corn, and tomatoes, but you can add whatever you like. Now, for the crunch, I'm mixing chickpeas with olive oil, chili, chana masala, and straight into the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Then we bring it all together, first the veggies, then chickpeas, and that creamy, dreamy sauce. And there it is, a salad that's healthy, filling, and actually delicious. Try it out and let me know what you think.